You can use the CentriClean app to order spare parts for your IOW group centrifuge. Start by opening the app, scan for available devices, and connect to the required centrifuge. For today's example, the MP200. This will take you to the device's main page. To order spare parts, click on the main menu and select Maintenance. The serial number is auto-filled to the centrifuge you are connected to. Click Spares. From this screen, you can then download or view existing lists, which will show an exploded view of all the parts and kits that you can order for your centrifuge. Today, let's order an O-ring kit and some paper inserts. If you toggle across to your shopping basket, you can then alter the quantities. Selecting the envelope button then gives you many options on how to share your order with us. When we receive it, one of the IOW group team will be in touch to confirm and arrange your order.